Here is the key fob for your Kia Seltos. We need to get a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver for this job. It has to be a small Phillips head screwdriver, like number 1. If it's too thick, it won't work. Let's get the flathead screwdriver and pry this cover off from back over here. Get it in there and give it a firm twist. It'll come right off. Now get the Phillips head screwdriver and get these 4 small screws off. See, this is why it's important to make sure it's a thin one. If it's too thick, it won't fit in there and you won't be able to get those 4 screws off. Get them off and keep them somewhere safe. Do not lose them. At this point, this cover should just come right out and the battery is right over there. To get the battery out, hold the key the way I'm holding and then use your index finger to just push down and inwards. Just push down and in, and the battery is going to come off from there, and then just tilt it and it'll come right out. The battery side is CR2032. The positive side has markings on it, negative side has no markings. Check the link in description to buy the new battery from Amazon and put the new battery in with the positive side facing upwards and put it in the way I'm showing. Slide it in and then press it down, and now it's locked in place. Let's get this cover on, and now we will just put those 4 screws and tighten them. And it's important that you do not over tighten. Those screws are very delicate. If you over tighten them, you'll end up stripping the head off, and then it's a lot more work to get it out. So let's just get them on, tighten them, and put this cover back on. And now let's go outside and try it out. Unlock is working good, lock working good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.